Welcome back to the TerryTracker channel and welcome back to Alton Towers. The park is actually closed and we've just taken an entrance through there, which is the on-site guest entrance, because we have a reservation for the Rollercoaster restaurant for Ellie's 18th birthday. Hooray! It's really hard for me to film in here because of the copywritten music. What happens when food gets stuck in the corkscrew? When your order's ready here, it goes on the roller coaster from the kitchen. If you want to see the menu, scan this QR code. Then it's quiet. So there you go, that was the Rollercoaster Cafe. Time for an honest review. The prices are quite high and the food is quite average. So I think it's too expensive for the quality of food you get. It's nice, but just not for the prices that you get charged. So I think you pay theme park tax. As in, because it's in a theme park, you pay extra money, like everything. But the theme park's closed, so should they be charging theme park tax? I don't know. Anywho, that's it for today. We'll see you all in the next one.
And now it's time to do your job.
Took her a while to say it.